Compressors shape the sound of a song. But when you look at a regular compressor plugin, it's just a bunch of numbers. Where's the vibe? And that's why Sonible has built SmartComp 3 to make working with compressors part of the musical, creative workflow, while still keeping you fully in control. Check out how I can make my kick go from snappy to punchy just by moving this thumb, changing all of the compressor parameters to suit my vision. How this synth goes from dynamic to dense, sounding fuller while retaining its core tonal character. This big grid right here, the compression matrix, lies at the heart of SmartComp 3. The first step is to choose a fitting profile and hit the Learn button. Then, the compression matrix unlocks, giving me a range of suitable parameters. With every move I make, I can see threshold, ratio, attack, and release changing to achieve my desired style. Of course, I can also manually set these parameters, and that will likewise be visible in the compression matrix. Obviously, not every sample can be compressed to fit every style. This soft piano, for example, starts out quite dense already. There really are no reasonable compressor settings to make this more dynamic, so the compression scope stays quite small. Now that's the basic parameters taken care of. But of course, SmartComp 3 has a ton of other ways to style your output for your creative intention. And these are all located in the Advanced tabs. First off, the Style tab. 4 compression engines will change saturation behavior and attack and release curves for distinct feel. And I can dive deep with the Custom style, controlling every aspect. The next tab is the Spectral Compression. This applies more gain reduction in frequencies where it's really needed, leaving the integrity of the signal intact, but delivering more transparent compression. This frequency-dependent compression also helps when working with an external sidechain. Notice how the kick comes through as I increase its impact, while minimizing bass pumping. Input riding automatically compensates slow level changes in my signal for a more natural and even compressor response. The last tab is the sidechain EQ. I can EQ my sidechain input here and, as you saw before, turn on the external sidechain mode. With this update, SmartComp 3 has gained the group feature that is already supercharging workflows in Smart Reverb 2 and Smart EQ 4. I can add up to 7 SmartComp 3 instances to one group and fully remote control all of them from this window. I can also select multiple instances by dragging in the compression matrix, making very quick changes across all instances. SmartComp 3 now comes with the zero latency minimum phase processing mode for live and recording work. And of course, we've included all of the features you would expect from a professional-grade compressor: automatic gain compensation, auto release time, an MS processing mode, and a user-settable look-ahead. And as I change any settings, the instant impact prediction shows me the effect of all parameter changes in my complete signal history. What are you waiting for? Make your creative vision come alive and check out the 30-day trial at sonible.com.